So today I completed the conversion of the W124 project's interior to the sportline rear seats. These individual side buckets I basically got into the correct position using the existing dents in those individual seats as a reference. You've got to get them in the right place or the felt seal around the door opening wouldn't sit correctly. Plus it would just look wrong. So I held those in place and then with the other hand removed the seat base and then drilled an appropriate hole and screwed the screws in. It's actually pretty damn easy. As long as you've got the seats as a reference, you can't really go wrong. And those mounts for the center roller door box I installed a long time ago before the car even went to the paint shop, so those are ready as well. Don't mind the shininess of the leather. I've just got Leatherique applied to it at the moment, the Rejuvenator oil. I'll make multiple applications of that over the next few days and then clean it off and it should look pretty good. The front seats unfortunately do need to be retrimmed, but that's on my to-do list. I will do that later. I then went ahead and reinstalled the plastic sheets on the rear doors. These are essential if you don't want water getting on the back side of your door cards or moisture. So that's the rear pretty much finished for now. I can't install that roller door box for now because the wood on it looks terrible. It's going to need to be refurbished or I'll have to find a better one. They are damn expensive, so I'll probably get it refurbed. And the fronts I can't install yet because I don't have non-memory seat switches to install. I have to get some. And I'm quite happy with the height of the rear of the car. I do have 35mm lowering springs. I was a bit scared that it would be too low because in Australia if it's too low it will fail its inspection.